Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. We are discussing about spirit of Bhagavad Gita. Now we are continuing episode 6. Generally, without knowing the principles of Bhagavad Gita, we have frustration in life. Why? We don't understand the principles of Bhagavad Gita. Because of that, we think we know the principles of Bhagavad Gita. That's why whatever we do, we get or we have frustration in life. That's why we want to give up, we want to change our situations. We want to change something. We are looking for something for better. We are always looking. We know Bhagavad Gita, our life leads like lotus in water. If we really know Bhagavad Gita, our life leads like lotus in water. Padmapatram ivambasa. Although we are living in the material world, but we live a life in spiritual world. If we know Bhagavad Gita. What qualifications do we have to hear Bhagavad Gita? We must have qualifications. That what qualifications do we have to hear Bhagavad Gita? Unless we make ourselves humble, so with great humility we approach Bhagavad Gita. Minimum qualification of a friend is a well-wisher, wishing well for the other person, benefit of other person. So we should be well-wisher to Krishna, or well-wishing to Krishna, or friendly attitude, in other words and devotee. So well-wisher does not interpret the words. Sometimes some persons who are our friends does not like us. We tell something to them, they go and tell something else to others. He said their opinions, not what we said. A, B, C are three persons. A tells something to B about C, but B does not like A. But B tells to C, A does not like you, C. That means A does not like you. Generally happens, mostly happens. Many of us, our so-called close to us, many a time interpret wrong information. By Bhagavad Gita given to a non-devotee, he tells Krishna is boasting too much, Krishna is flattering himself about himself too much. They try to minimize Krishna. He tends to minimize his words. He tends to interpret his words. He tends to minimize his reputation. He will pass enmity to Krishna. He will not pass devotion to Krishna. Bhagavad Gita is a devotional service. Those who have that attitude to Krishna pass to others, transfer devotion to others. Yourself is envious. The same thing pass to others. Krishna says, I am the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He himself is not convinced. It is not true. He is just like that. Everyone is God. If Krishna is God, I am also God. Two things can happen. If you are not a devotee, to pull down to Krishna our level, we equate him. We boast as, I am also God. This is the tendency of the enemy. Enemy pulls other persons down or pushes you up to him. Either we don't accept advancement or we also advance. Not only he, I am also advance. Why you are only glorifying them? This is the tendency of enemy. Srila Prabhupada saying, I am presenting Bhagavad Gita as it is. Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is hearful. Glorification of a devotee. He just loves Krishna. One should learn Bhagavad Gita from a teacher. Srila Prabhupada is given a clue. You take medicine by the direction of a physician. Bhagavad Gita is such a mega literature, top class literature, powerful medicine. It has to be carefully administered. Many times they written strictly take by the direction of physician, which is a powerful literature. Anything should be powerful, should be handled carefully. What is the way of the teacher? What does he do? A teacher creates powerful attitude in the student towards Bhagavad Gita and towards the Supreme Lord. He should be a devotee because he invokes that love he has and makes us receive that love. He makes us understand how Krishna is a such loving person. Lovingly, Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is the love. Because we already so much frustration in this material world, then bosses are very bad. We don't want boss, we want to be boss. Material world hankers that everyone wants to be top of the world. They want anyone to control them. We want independence. That is actually the essence of the material world. I want independence, freedom. We actually want freedom, true freedom. Everyone is looking for that only. If somebody says that you are hero, we like it. Somebody says that you are insignificant, we don't like it. That's why devotee has to teach. He explains Krishna in full, not that he control or is a dictatorship, not like that. He explains Krishna's heart. Krishna is so loving, he establishes that being subordinate that loving person. When we like someone, we don't mind to become subordinate to him. Rather, we are childish. We are very rebellious. We are very rebellious. If we only harm us, Krishna is very kind to protect us. He is taking that role. Loving mother chastises the child to correct him, to guide him. Rather the child think, why my mother controlling me, giving me freedom? That is foolishness. So Supreme Lord is like that. So it is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the Supreme Lord's game is greater than millions of mothers' game. Millions of mothers' care is not as much as Krishna's care. Krishna makes innumerable arrangements for us, walking, talking, seeing, digesting, looking. It's all only by Krishna. So many universes he maintains effortlessly. Each universe has mega system. It is universes are floating in the space. Innumerable universes are floating in the space. Krishna maintains them effortlessly. All of the universes maintains by Krishna effortlessly. There are so many layers in the universe. Even coconut also amazing design. Water inside the coconut. So many layers are there. How water enter into the layers. It's amazing. These are the things in this we discussed. Next we will continue in next class. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai, Nitaya Gauda Premananda Hari Hari.